Speaking of EVs, we have Tesla is implementing a new suspension feature for their Model S and Model X vehicles. Now, the innovation here enhances how suspension will react to different roads. By that, they're taking what is real time and detecting potholes in the roads with their vehicles are driving all over the place. Your car runs over a pothole, someone else runs over it, third, fourth person does. The car learns where that pothole is on the road, and then at that time, when you're about to hit that section of road or hit that spot in the road, it will adjust the suspension so that you don't feel that bump as noticeable. And it will do this on rough roads, for potholes, for everything. Now, this is another great, it's cool to see that Tesla's able to do these, over-the-air updates to make their experience better as a smoother ride in a Tesla, which Teslas already don't, for the price, have the best comfort for ride. But this is definitely a step in the right direction here, adding things like this where the cars can learn in real time. New pothole shows up, a couple people hit it, and then your car learns, hey, right here when you do this, or hey, avoid this. So this is just another way to show that, all these other companies that are adding the ability to map roads by driving them for autopilot features versus letting the cars drive it and mapping it that way. This is a benefit of being able to map it as cars are driving that area versus mapping it once and that's the road. This is just another great example of Tesla's commitment to improving its comfort, their ability to do these updates like this and just make their cars better over time. And it's these small updates like this that keep making the cars a little bit better, and you just stay a little bit ahead at all times. You're not making new cars every year, but every year you're like, my car actually got better this year, which you can't say about most other vehicles. So how might this influence customer expectations and preferences? This is where Tesla also gets a little sticky, because if you're doing this, what's to say that they don't go, hey, we're going to start doing this. We're going to use your vehicle's information because it's like basically ours, but you kind of own it. But we're taking all the information from the cameras and stuff. We're mapping these roads, and we're going to add this suspension feature, but it's $200 or it's $20 a month. Your car's going to know what to do. It's going to be able to do it. It will all of that, but it's behind a paywall. And at what point are people going to realize, are companies going to realize that these subscription services over time add up to so much more than what things used to add up to? And consumers will have to choose what subscriptions they really, really want. And they're not going to pay for all of them. And then some companies are going to get hurt more by that than others.